Registering your Surron is something that I've been getting a lot of questions about from people online and just people that I meet. So I figured maybe I'd do a little video about trying to get it registered here. The way that I did it, honestly, super easy and super quick way. All you do is fill out a form, put your check in, get it sent out to the state, you get it back in about 4 weeks or so, and it comes with your ID card and the license plate, and you're good to go. It's pretty easy, but I'll kind of go over it right now. First thing you're going to need is this form, Reg 230 from the state of California that you'll fill out. It'll be applying for a moped license plate and identification card. Once you have that, you're also going to need a license or California state ID, because you're going to need a number off of that to fill out the Reg 230 form that you're going to send in. Alright, so let's head on over to the computer and I'll show you guys that form. Okay, here is the form that you're going to be filling out and sending into the state. First things first, you're going to want to grab your vehicle identification number, or the VIN number. That should be located on the neck of the bike. Or it could be on the sheet that you get when you order your bike. When the bike comes, you should also get a document that has your VIN number on it. So go ahead and fill it out there. For the engine number, you're going to want to head and match the exact number that your VIN is, and just go ahead and rewrite that down for the engine number right here. For the make, I went ahead and left it there. That is what I used on my bike. On the sheet that I got with my bike when it came to my home, I received a paper that said it was from that company, which I will show a little picture of right now. And so that is what I put there. General rule of thumb, don't put Surron because they are going to instantly deny it. For the model, I put the Ultra B. If you have a Light B, you can go ahead and put that there. For distinctive marks or features, I left it blank. By all means, feel free to fill that out if you want, but it is not necessary to be filled out. This is the address of where you're going to be sending this form to once completed. Do not send cash. Okay, make sure it's a check or a money order. I sent a check personally, and it's going to be for $26 exact. Here, the first checkbox is marked because I am applying for the first time on the bike for the ID and license plate. For right here on section 2, you're going to go ahead and fill all this out. Make sure all those boxes are checked yes. Make sure you read them and abide by what it is saying on the road. Even though the bike is going to be registered, you still are not supposed to be going for more than 30 miles per hour on a moped. So obviously it is your discretion if you go more than that, but that is the rules for the moped. So make sure you select yes to everything, and then you're going to want to fill out all of the following, which is your full name. So you're going to do last first and then your middle name. I'm just going to put a random alias in here, obviously, not to give out my own information. But go ahead and fill that out. You will need to have a license, a driver's license, so you will have to put a license number on this form. So make sure you have that ready to go, and that will be filled out in the box to the right. Obviously, we're going to go ahead and put the county and city and state and zip code on the bottom line, but right now, make sure you have that driver's license number handy. I'm just going to go ahead and throw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. Go ahead and throw your address in. Obviously, I'm going to make up an address right now. County with a big county, city, obviously the biggest city, state, even bigger state. I'm just kidding, California, obviously. Go ahead and throw your zip code in right there at the end, and then that's pretty much it. You do not have to fill out section 3 either. If this is you applying for a new license plate, that does not have to be filled out. And neither does the ownership transfer, which is section 4. That does not have to be filled out unless you already have a bike registered and you go to sell it. You will have to reprint out this form, and that is the section that you're going to want to fill out to release the ownership of that bike to the next person or whoever you are selling the bike to. For our purposes today, though, obviously we just want to get a license plate, get everything registered. So you're going to skip right down to section 5, and this is what you're going to fill out here. Go ahead and put a date, go ahead and sign it. You don't have to type your name here, and I would advise against typing your name here. I would sign it either in PDF, or you can print this whole sheet out, and you can fill all this out with pen or pencil as well, or with pen. I'm just doing this here in a PDF editor so that you can just see this all happen and kind of go through the sheet. But by all means, I printed mine out and I did most of this with pen, including my signature at the bottom and everything else. Once you have this all completed, you're going to want to print this out. Go ahead and put it in an envelope with your check or money order for $26 exact, and then put it in the envelope, write the address listed right here on section 1, and then go ahead and send it. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. Honestly, super easy process once you get it mailed out. It took about 4 weeks or so until I got my plate back, and that comes with the plate and also they call it an identification card. It looks almost just kind of like a registration, but obviously it's just the ID card from the moped. Other cool thing is California State does not require you to have insurance on a moped, so one less thing you have to do. But other than that, you guys should be all set. Super easy process, like I was saying, and thanks for watching, and check out some more videos if you want. Thanks, guys.